Merry Christmas, guys. If you got something for your race car or daily, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you ended up getting. Last year, if you remember, we ended up getting the Bullet WS6 sign, but this year is a little interesting. Yeah, as soon as I opened this thing up, I could not wait to install this in the cars. We're gonna go ahead and install this puppy straight into the car. It is a one-piece billet aluminum steering wheel, not like the other steering wheel that we have. It's a little flimsier. It's got these nice ridges on the back side, and then on the front side, it has almost like a leather insert. Looks like you can remove it if you want a different type. I got some sort of little carbon fiber one. Very nice. Feels very nice in the hand, so I can't wait to sit in the car and feel this out. If I could find the right Allen. It's like I never had the right Allen. I have put a lot of miles on this wheel. I've cut on it, I've welded on it, added brackets, etc., etc. It's time to put this all girl down. All the cords go into the dash there, so we'll have to just take this bottom piece out. Luckily, it's not that bad on this car. Made everything real nice and simple. Just had to cut a few tie straps, got everything unplugged. So now we can just worry about, we gotta take these connector pieces off because they won't fit through the hole. If I remember, I think I have to de-pin them and then put them back. That's gonna be interesting. Let's see. Here we go, yet another set of Allen bolts that I probably do not have the socket for. We're gonna have to remember, because this strange removable coupler actually does have a top. If you guys can see, I don't know if you can see right there. Maybe not. But I'll just point it out. There's a top right here. There's a little groove that's actually the top. So we gotta make sure we put that back on right. This little doodad right here is what I'm gonna need to get those pins out. Pretty sure we can get these off. And with our new trusty pliers, I went ahead and got the nut off of the back of the button. Now we just need to get the button out. This is the reason why we had to de-pin it, because the actual connector won't fit in the back of, won't fit through the buttonhole. See, that one actually fits, so we didn't have to do that. The holes are threaded instead of just a hole like the ones on the bracket, so I may not need to run this little lock on the back if it'll thread right in. I know why you're thinking, why do I need 4 buttons? Well, I'll tell you. I need my trans brake, I need my bump, the notorious scramble button, and then eventually I want to put my parachute on a button. That way my hand is never leaving the steering wheel. I like to put my hands on the steering wheel all the time. When I'm down at the big end of the track, I hate taking it off and having to pull the handle. So that's why I have 4 slots. We're gonna put a solenoid on that parachute handle and get that thing to release via electrical push button. Got it the right way, right? Yep. It's not flat in the back. I think that's why they threaded it, because it's got an angle to it. See if you can see that. Yeah, you can see that right there. So it threaded right in. I'm gonna save the lock just in case. But yeah, that looks cool. Bam, bam. All right, last one. I'm really feeling like I'm gonna have to cut and solder this one because it's not gonna. I don't think I can depin that. Guess I could try first, but those are usually a pain in the butt. Yeah, I went ahead and just cut it off because I have a U-end anyways. So I'm not very good at depinning that. I'm just not good at it. I'm gonna save it though. Yeah, check that out. Don't forget the heat shrink. I always forget the heat shrink. Okay, remember, so this is center, this is up. So the piece right there, the little top groove, gonna go, which is that top bolt right here, up. So, just like that. There you have it. I am going to have to replace these bolts though, because the hole is actually tapered for a bolt to fit flush, so the center cap can fit over it, and these are just regular bolts. So I'm gonna have to get the tapered ones. That way I can put the nuts on the back and call it a day. But for now, just for testing purposes, because I want to put this on the car, we're gonna leave them on. See? Just like that. It's actually a little closer to me because it's not straight like the other wheel. It's tapered more towards me. So I may be able to move back in the seat a little bit. I may leave it as is though. Trans brake. Bump, bump. Let's go. Scramble. I like it. Looks great. A lot heavier than the other wheel though, that's for sure. I'm definitely gonna need a hook to hang this up on or something, because I used to just hang it over on the side. I don't want to be scratching this steering wheel up. I'm gonna have to hang it. I'll find a little hook to go right there, hang it. Just an update on all the stuff we got going on. I finally got that transmission jack we were needing in order to get that transmission out of there. So we're gonna be getting this bad boy out here pretty soon. First things first, I gotta drain the fluid before I do anything else. I learned that mistake last year. So we're gonna be getting this bad boy out here pretty soon. First things first, I gotta drain the fluid before I do anything else. I learned that mistake last year. Not gonna do it again. Gotta drain the fluid all the way out. Yeah, I guess we'll just put this right here.